Madison. What's going on?
My blanket's gone.
Your blanket's not gone. Your blanket's being washed.
Yes, it is gone.
No, it's in the...
I can find it.
You can't find it?
Yeah.
Didn't Mommy show you it's in the washer? Isn't it in the washer?
Come out there.
What?
It needs to come out there.
But then it'd be all wet. It'd be all wet then. Don't you think we should dry it?
No.
No. Do you want a dirty blanket?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to get dirty.
Well, it wa- It was dirty and needed to be washed.
I can watch it with my mommy.
Well, you can watch the show if you want without your blanket.
No.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't.
No, you can't. Are you gonna cry the whole time?
I just pick it.
What?
That's my mommy. Yeah, I never watched that show.
Do you want to go? You want to calm down? Go watch a show?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would take this with my mommy.
Okay.
I found my books.
Oh, good.
Can you help me now?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. How'd you do this?
I don't know. She wants this blanket. Do you want the other blanket in the other room? There's a blanket in the other room. Do you want that one? Hold on. Okay, you gonna get the one in the other room?
This one.
She wants to use the other blanket to watch her show.
Well,
See,
your
it's
show's
on the
not
couch.
anymore.